Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something slightly different as we are doing an unboxing video. This is the AFERIY P210 portable power station. We chose this over the many other brands basically because it has one thing that we need for the future upgrades, and that being a DC output, but the DC output is actually 25 amps. Now we have some exciting things coming in the future, and we needed this power station to not only be great for now but also be future proofed. Now I know that a lot of the other power stations do have a DC with a higher ampage, but they are also like double the price of what we paid for this power station, so we went with this one specifically for that reason. So right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is how solid and compact it is. The design is clean, it's rugged, and it's definitely built for camping, your backup power, or working on the go. So we go camping in our roof tent, and we were pretty limited because we'd need an electric hookup, and yeah, there's a lot of places with electric hookup available, but they also get taken very quickly. But having this means that we can now go off grid for 3, 4, possibly 5 days with the massive output this has. This is a 2048 watt hour power station, and it has a built-in 2400 watt inverter. So inside this little handy dandy bag you have your mains power cable for charging, and you also get a solar panel charging cable, so you can just hook it up to some solar panels and you've got a constant trickle charge through that. Also in the box you get this dust cover for, you know, travelling round and stuff, so you can put it over it and just keep it nice and clean, keep it dust free. It's a nice little touch. Okay, so moving on to the front of the machine, this little bit in the top, it's just a little storage bit you can put all your stuff in. You've got your power, you've got your DC, that's your 10 amp power, that one. You can plug all your cigarette lighter stuff into that one. You've got 2 3 amp DC connectors all across the front here. You have a lot of USBs going all the way up to a USB-C, that's a 100 watt output. And this little beauty here is the upgraded bit that I was talking about. This is your DC 25 amp, which is fantastic for all you camper vanners. You can plug all your lights and stuff in there as well. You also have a little light on the front of this device. This is taking a bit of a closer look at what it is. You can see on the main screen you've got a very big screen, which is probably the biggest I've seen on any of these. That's your battery percentage, you've got your output watts, and that little display there tells you how long you would have in hours if you were running stuff at the time. So there you go, that's a little light demonstration. It's got a few modes. Again, that's the button, you turn your DC on and all your DCs are active when you switch that on. There's that little beauty one again with the, I think it's an XT60 connection you use for that. And all across the front there again, just your USBs. Each individual section's got its own little power button that you can turn on and off as and when you need to. Okay, so moving on to the side of the unit, you've got 3 UK plug sockets there. That uses the pure sine wave inverter, which is your 2400 watt inverter, which is massive output for this tiny machine. You can run all your electric things off there, as in your kettles and your toasters and stuff like that. Okay, so moving on to the other side, this is your input power. So this is where you'll charge the device. You have your standard plug connection. So this has actually got a built-in power brick, so it's literally a lead. You plug that in and away you go. You can plug it into your house or wherever you are. And you have a solar connection as well. This is rated to a 500 watt solar panel. So again, when you're static off grid, you've got plenty of power, unless you live in the UK and you don't get no sun whatsoever. Okay, so this is me just charging the device up at home. As you can see in the top corner there, it's going to take 2 hours to fully charge, which I think is fantastic for a device this big. It also comes with this little app, which I think is fantastic again. It tells you everything from where your power's coming in from and where you're sending it out to. It tells you how many watts you're using. It tells you how long you're going to take to discharge this device if you've got everything plugged in. You can change loads of settings, update it. It's a really good app. You can take full control of the unit wirelessly with this app. Okay guys, that was a quick little unboxing of this unit. I hope you enjoyed it. We will be using this in very near future camping trips, so I will make another video of how we got on with it, what we like, what we don't like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Let us know if you've got one of these and how you like it. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you later.